How to record cinematic video on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, open the camera app on your device and make sure your iPhone supports the cinematic mode. So go ahead and swipe to the cinematic mode option you see there, and further go ahead and adjust your lenses if you want 1x or 3x. Next, you can go ahead and choose the telephoto, and you can also add an ultra wide if you want. Further, tap on the F icon you see there on top and then choose the blur frequency of your video. You can choose more or less depending on your preference. Further, go ahead and look for your subject and then tap on the yellow tracking box, and further the camera will automatically keep your subject sharp and shift focus when they move. You can also tap on the HD or 30 option you see there and choose your frame rate and resolution. iOS 26 supports 4K at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS too. So go ahead and choose your preferred frame rate and resolution. Also make sure to use proper and good front lighting on your subject and avoid complete darkness. Finally, tap on the record button, and with this, your cinematic video will begin. So, this is how you can record cinematic video on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.